Arrive in style with this 2011 Ford F-150 XLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include anti-theft security system, power windows, cruise control, 3-point rear seat belts, side airbag system, auto headlight delay, and side impact door beams. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.